scientific research now confirms that it is truly harder for women to lose their stubborn fat, and that most women are predisposed to store fat on their lower body. You see, it is now clear that your fat loss and weight gain are controlled at a cellular level by something called adrenoreceptors. These are like switches that react with a hormone called adrenaline that is released naturally to your body and makes you store or release fat. Everyone, women and men alike, have both beta adrenoreceptors and alpha adrenoreceptors. And this is where I found the key to getting rid of stubborn female body fat. Turn on your beta receptor switch and you trigger fat burning. Turn on your alpha receptor switch and you store and trap fat in your fat cells. To keep that straight, think of it this way. B as in beta equals burn. A as in alpha equals anti-burn. Now, the bad news. Researchers have discovered that women have 9 times more alpha receptors than beta receptors in their stubborn lower body fat. That means for every beta receptor that's devoted to releasing unattractive fat from your thighs, there are 9 alpha receptors doing their best to make sure you store more fat and that you hold on to already trapped fat. This can also be true for other body parts like the back of your arms or your belly. Yet most women suffer from hard-to-lose butt and thigh fat, and this is the main reason why stubborn lower body fat has never been your fault. However, there's a second reason that no amount of dieting and exercise has ever allowed you to achieve a slim, shapely and smooth bum and legs. You see, when you go on a strict diet or exercise too much, your thyroid hormones go down. You may have heard that these hormones can affect your weight, yet it's even more serious than that. Low thyroid hormones switch on your alpha receptors and switch off your beta receptors. So all your extreme dieting and exercise has actually increased your body fat in the spots you wanted to get rid of it the most, and made it even harder to slim down your most unattractive trouble spots. Let's do a quick recap before we get into the solution I discovered. Your fat burning is controlled by your adrenoreceptors. Beta receptors equal burn, alpha receptors equal anti-burn. As a woman, you've got 9 times more alpha receptors in your stubborn fat cells, so you're more likely to store and trap fat in those areas. And when you diet and exercise the wrong way, you actually make the problem worse and increase fat storage in your trouble spots. Now, what if I told you there's a way to trick your fat cells into turning on your beta switch and turning off your alpha switch? Can you imagine how much easier it will be once you've taken control of the master switch that literally controls whether you store or release fat from your cells? Can you feel how your jeans will get looser almost daily and see yourself fitting back into your skinny jeans in as little as 3 to 4 weeks? Well, all the other everyday women you've been seeing in this presentation have done exactly that, and their results can be your results starting today. There is a brand new solution proven to quickly melt away your most stubborn and embarrassing fat zones. I'd like to introduce you to what is now the system for all women who have struggled with locked-in and unattractive trouble spot fat. The Beta Switch. The Beta Switch is the only complete weight loss lifestyle for women that specifically switches on the fat-burning power of your most stubborn female trouble spots without restricting your favorite foods or doing excessive exercise. This is a system that allows women just like us to achieve and experience freedom from obsessive-compulsive dieting, damaging workouts, and negative body image. This isn't just the system I teach to thousands of other women just like you. It's the system I used myself to achieve the easiest figure competition victory of my career at 40 years old. Trust me, all the women you've met in this video can attest. This system will work for you, even if you're a busy mum or professional woman like me. You've shared my despair over trapped and stubborn female fat. You've damaged your metabolism with strict dieting, you've run yourself into the ground with excessive aerobics and cardio, or even if you think you've tried everything. Now, let me tell you what the Beta Switch is not, so you know what you are about to enjoy. It's not another generic diet for men that actually piles more fat onto your most stubborn fat zones. It's not a silly cream or potion that's supposed to magically melt away your trouble spots. It's not yet another trendy cleanse or deprivation diet that inevitably ends in cravings, binges, guilt, depression, and rebound weight gain. And it's definitely not one of those punishing workout programs that leaves you exhausted and hungry all the time. No, you and countless women just like you have tried all those false hopes and they've never worked. It's now time for a solution that actually flips on a woman's unique fat-burning switch right at a cellular level and guarantees you finally find freedom from the negative body image only a woman can truly understand. When you master your own fat-burning beta switch using the simple yet effective strategies that have been proven and refined with thousands of women just like you, you'll enjoy a brand new weight loss experience, including shockingly rapid fat loss on your thighs, bum, hips, belly, or the backs of your arms, an end to the cycle of starvation, cravings, binges, and guilt, and results you'll actually notice daily in the bathroom mirror, all while you indulge in your favorite foods, avoid crazy workouts, and finally enjoy the freedom of the positive body image you desire and deserve. The Beta Switch is a simple, step-by-step 12-week nutrition and lifestyle system that switches on your fat-burning beta receptors and switches off your stubborn fat-storing alpha receptors. You'll discover things like the precise 6-day kickstart diet plan that will instantly switch on your fat-burning metabolism, the quick and simple trick to easily tell the exact portions you need for your body type to maximize your weight loss, the complete list of fruits, veggies, fats and proteins that will activate your fat-burning beta switch, which alcoholic beverage you are free to enjoy and which ones will ruin your weight loss instantly, the 4 herbal extracts and 1 naturally occurring oil that prevents the activation of your fat-storing alpha receptors, and the only cheat day strategy that is proven to reboot your thyroid hormone and eliminate frustrating weight loss plateaus for good. As you can probably tell, the Beta Switch was designed to revolutionize the release of stubborn female body fat. In fact, women from around the world are enjoying the remarkable body transformations you can see in the astonishing photos I'm receiving daily, which is amazing considering they're experiencing these rapid results while still enjoying their favorite comforts like cream in their coffee, chocolate and red wine almost daily, and unselfconsciously ordering and eating whatever they want at restaurants or when out with friends. Listen, before we go any further, I feel I have to be 100% honest with you, because if you're looking for some sort of magic wand to wipe away your trouble spots overnight, or you want to just rub some cream on your thighs and wake up the next morning with the legs of a supermodel, then the Beta Switch is not for you. The Beta Switch is only for women who are done with silly weight loss gimmicks, gadgets, pills and potions. So if you're ready for a proven, science-based, enjoyable weight loss lifestyle that guarantees to deliver safe, lasting and rapid results, and if you want to finally fit into your skinny jeans, feel proud to show off your bum and legs in a bikini, and enjoy the feeling of how a form-fitting dress hugs your sexy curves, then the Beta Switch isn't just a system for you, it's the only system for you.